Make a great choice today with the 2018 3500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, engine block heater, front license plate bracket, Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. Come take a test drive today.